State of Moss, we got, should be CSX M410. Getting ready to roll through Pointer Rocks. Yeah, just 2 locomotives. Chalkboard. Norfolk Southern. Less than 300 axles, but only about 75 cars. So. Train came up here to meet with 418 at that Conway at least. Log mats. I actually know where the bolts come from there, full wing. I got a nice powder blue. Mailbox don't need. Reading North. Nice. Reading Northern Hopper. Almost 2102. Going west it goes. This is State of Moss. We're at Pointer Rocks. Y'all have a great rest of the weekend. Memorial Day. Or Labor Day's tomorrow.